Good morning, dear students. Today I am going to teach you unit cells. Unit cell is the smallest three-dimensional portion which repeats itself to generate the whole lattice. The blue portion you can see is the unit cell, and in the red circle you can here also see the portion which is there in the red circle is the unit cell, and it generates the whole crystal when it repeats itself in all three-dimensional directions. Now let's see the types of unit cells. Based on the position and constituent particles in a unit cells are broadly classified into primitive unit cells and centered unit cells. What are primitive unit cells? Primitive, when the constituent particles are present only at the corner position of a unit cell, it is called primitive unit cell, or is also called simple cubic, and it is denoted by P. When the constituent particles are present not only at the corner positions but also somewhere other positions within the crystal, then the cell is known as centered unit cell. These centered unit cells are further classified into three types. They are body centered, face centered, and end centered unit cells. Let us see what is a body centered unit cell. In this type of unit cell, one constituent particle such as atom, molecule, or ion is present at the center of the unit cell, in addition to the particles present at the corner positions. Body-centered unit cell is denoted by I, and the number of atoms present in a body-centered unit cell are 2. Next is face-centered unit cell. In this type of unit cell, the constituent particles are not only present at the corners but also at the center of each face of the unit cell. Face-centered unit cells are denoted by F, and the number of atoms contributed are 3. Now let's see the density of a unit cell. It is given by Z into M by Na into EQ, where D is density, M is molar mass, A is edge length of a unit cell.